So I'll be showing you how to convert your 54,200,000 wDoge into BNB. But before then, if this is your first time to come across our channel, please subscribe, hit the notification button, and join our Telegram channel. I did a video on how to claim your free Doge airdrop, and if you've claimed it, this video is for you. Without further ado, let's move right into the video. All right, let's open our Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. Then head over to dapps. Then select Pancakeswap. Then select currency. I will drop the contract address in the description below. Copy it and paste. Copy the contract address, wDoge. Confirm. Then approve. Transaction submitted. All right, you have successfully swapped your wDoge into BNB. All right, thank you for watching this video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.